Welcome back to the deep dive. So if you've ever found yourself just wrestling with cables, separate runs for power, for video, for control, all across a big room, it's a real headache.
It's a huge frustration, and that's really where our subject for today comes in. We're looking at the Blustream HEX70SL-KIT.
The HDBaseT extender set.
Exactly, and you can think of it as a system integrator's best friend. The real magic here is the HDBaseT technology it uses.
Right. For anyone who doesn't know, what is HDBaseT?
Well, it's the tech that lets you bundle everything, high-quality, uncompressed video, audio control, even power all onto one single CPA cable.
And the most important metric, the one everyone cares about.
Zero latency.
Zero latency. That's the holy grail, isn't it? It means the signal gets to the display instantly. No lag.
None. But, there's always a trade-off with distance and bandwidth. So let's talk about the practical limits here.
Okay, yeah, let's get into the numbers.
For standard 1080p Full HD, you're getting a solid run of up to 70 meters.
70 meters. That's a long way. That covers most large rooms, boardrooms.
Oh, absolutely. Now, if you step up to 4K UHD, the distance comes down a bit to 40 meters.
Which is still very usable.
It is. And there's a key detail in the sources here. It supports that 4K at 30 Hz with full 4.4.4 chroma. But for the really heavy stuff, 4K at 60 frames per second.
Yeah.
It uses 4.2.0 chroma subsampling. It's just an intelligent way to manage that huge amount of data while keeping the frame rate super smooth.
So it's making smart choices to preserve performance. And that intelligence, that's not just for the video, is it? It extends to the audio, too.
It does. You're not just getting a picture. You are getting support for basically every high-end HDMI audio format you can think of.
Like Dolby Atmos.
Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, DTS HD Master Audio. The whole immersive experience is completely preserved.
And to preserve that, you need to follow the rules, right?
Yeah.
Like with copy protection.
Yes, and that's non-negotiable. The kit is fully HDCP 2.2 compliant. Without that, you just can't play modern 4K copyrighted content. Simple as that.
Okay, so the performance is clearly there. Let's shift gears a bit. Let's talk about convenience, because on a job site, that's often the biggest win.
I mean, that's where this thing really shines. Think about the nightmare of trying to find a power outlet right behind a wall-mounted TV.
Yeah, the worst. So what's the solution here?
It's called bi-directional PoH. Power over cable.
Bi-directional, so it works both ways.
Exactly. You get one 12-volt power supply in the box, and you can plug it into either the transmitter unit by your source or the receiver unit by the display.
Oh, that's a game changer. So you just plug it in wherever it's easiest.
It just completely simplifies the wiring. And they did the same thing for control.
With the IR pass-through.
Right, bi-directional IR.
Yeah.
So you can be standing at the TV and still control the source player that's hidden away in a cabinet, or the other way around. And the source mentions the kit comes with the IR receiver and emitter you need.
So it's all in the box, ready to go.
And the units themselves are tiny. The chassis is really slimline. I think it's 106 by 73 by 16 millimeters. Super small.
Which is perfect for tucking it away behind a screen so no one ever sees it.
Yeah.
You just have that one clean CT cable running to it.
One cable for everything. Video, control, and power.
And the final piece of the puzzle here is something called smart EDI management. So when you put it all together, what do we got?
Well, you've got this complete package. The HEX70SL kit gives you, top-tier performance, zero latency, immersive audio, HDCP compliance.
And then all that logistical simplicity. The power over cable, the bi-directional control, all backed up by a 5-year warranty, which is pretty substantial.
Right. And if we tie all these convenience features together, it kind of leads to a final thought for you to take away.
Okay.
So we've talked about managing power and control. But how does that ability to also manage EDID, which is what tells the source what kind of screen it's connected to, how does that, plus the bidirectional control, fundamentally change how you troubleshoot a professional AV installation?
That's a great question. It's about having total control over the entire signal chain from start to finish.
It's something to think about for sure.
A deep thought to end on. That's all the time we have for this deep dive. We'll catch you next time.